Hi friends, good evening. We have 2 days to monthly expiry and 3 days to yearly expiry. And I just want to show something because in the last 3 days, from 27, 28, 29, and 30, we have a lot of combination dates which was happening, and then 2 days before Naveen Floor had a combination date, and then it flared up like anything. And Exide Industries and many big counters are coming on 30th December, and 30th December, you all know that, which is going to be a biggest day of the biggest trend change date for 2021, which is the last one. So on that day, particularly the big guys like Reliance, many companies are coming in, trend change date. So I just want to discuss that also, and we will just see what I discussed the last 2 days and how market respected those numbers and where it was standing now. And one more thing I want to tell you is today Nifty, my futures numbers are converged. So you all know that whenever my numbers converge, you will see explosion in the market. It may be on the upside or it may be on the downside, but it will be explosion. Okay, at least minimum 200 points move will be there in Nifty, and roughly around 750 to 1000 points move in Bank Nifty. So we will go to the PPT. I will take it on from what I wrote yesterday night for today's market, and then I've already updated for tomorrow also. So we will start from there, and then we'll go to that. Okay, so first we'll go to the PPT. Okay, so now just a minute. Okay, so this was my market pulse for 28th December, which is for today. So I clearly mentioned that positional buy only above 161 on closing basis, and today it closed above 17,161, and once it sustains 161 for 15 minutes on closing basis, we can go long for higher targets. And I have already mentioned what are my higher targets. My higher target as first higher target is here, which is 17,351, and the next target is 17,464, and the third target is 17,573. Okay, so now we see this is our important number, which is 16,829, and yesterday it came down up to 16,833. Okay, and from there it bounced and gave a good close above 17,100. Which actually closed above this number, which is 17,031, and today this was our magical number, which is 17,161, and today it closed well above that. And to be precise, today's low, see, market actually had a gap up opening today, and suddenly there was a fall around 2 o'clock. I've already mentioned the timing also. The timing was 2:20 to 2:25 p.m. Will be the trend change time for the day, and exactly after that, Bank Nifty as well as Nifty both came down very badly, and somebody said that there was a news saying that Delhi is going to close and all that. I clearly put a video immediately to my followers saying that nothing to worry till my 5 minutes support is standing. And to be precise, exactly after the 2:30, Nifty made a low of 17,161, precise to the number. That was the low today, and from there it closed well above 17,220. So till it holds 17,161, we don't need to worry about Nifty for tomorrow. And I've already mentioned this yesterday that Omicron, Demicron, all that, Nifty said bye-bye to everything. So when there is a bad news, market tends to reverse, and that is what it is happening, and that is what we are seeing now. Okay, so I've already mentioned yesterday that 10:57 a.m. tomorrow, that is for today, will be the major trend change timing, and exactly after 10:57, market not Nifty not came back below that 10:57 a.m. candle, and the exact low of 17,161. Okay, so now I'll go for today's, this is for tomorrow. Okay, this is for tomorrow now. So I've already mentioned that it is closed above 161, 17,161. So my first target is 17,351 for tomorrow or day after. But I'm expecting bare minimum 200 to 300 points move in the next 2 days, and at least 750 to 1,000 points in Bank Nifty. But Nifty numbers converse today, not Bank Nifty numbers. So I'm expecting big move in Nifty tomorrow or day after. Okay. And after a very long time, I'm seeing that FA bought something today, at least 200 crores. They are positive. After a long time, I've seen that figure. But anyway, I don't go with that number. But still, I'm saying that many people used to see that numbers. So today, FA is bought roughly around 200 crores. I think 200 or 203, whatever. Okay. So now. I've already mentioned all this what I discussed now. So my first target is 17,351 on spot. Okay. And Bank Nifty, I've already mentioned tight consolidation happening. So expecting 1,000 points move in the next 2 days. And this is what I'm writing for the last 2 days. Possibility of explosive monthly expiry this time on the higher side. Okay. So now this also I mentioned my Nifty number is converse today. So watch out for a big move tomorrow. And this one is on Monday morning. I gave a weekly number. Yesterday itself, both Nifty spot as well as futures, both including Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty future, closed well above the weekly bullish number. So we don't need to worry about market as of now. Okay. So now coming to Nifty future. So I've already given all my support and resistance for tomorrow. This is for tomorrow. And what I want to show now is, see, today on 28th December, there are many counters, big counters at their important TCD date. Okay. And today the Bank Nifty, particularly if you take, Kotak Bank and ICICI Bank, these two had a TCD today, trend change date today, and two Bajaj Pins, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, they also had a TCD date today. And if you see all these companies, the high and low of today was very, very small. Okay, so the stop loss is very, very small. So use the opportunity to enter long with the stop loss of today's low, or enter short with the stop loss of today's high. And as I mentioned yesterday, MSFL gave Max Financial has given a good move today. And if you take Dabur, REC, see why I'm telling you REC is coming out with a combination TCD. Okay, today also REC trend change date, and tomorrow is the blue color date, and you all know what is blue color date. So tomorrow also REC coming out with TCD date. So today's high and low, if it holds today's low, okay, and today's width is not even 1.5 rupees. Okay, just for 1.5 rupees we can take a bet, and this guy is trading at January low. Okay, just 2 rupees stop loss for REC. Watch out. And whenever is a TCD date, first 15 minutes high and low will decide the entire trend for the day. Okay, watch out for REC. And my favorite Expiry Industries, I've already put a video, done very well today, and tomorrow it is having again a combination date, and again that too it's a blue color date. So expecting some big move in Expiry Industries tomorrow. I have already covered Expiry Industries in my last video. I put a separate video for Expiry Industries. So kindly, if you want to watch, you go and watch. I clearly mentioned above 161, it's a buy. Stop loss is 156, I think. And today it achieved our first two targets, and any close above 169, the straight target is 196. Okay, and today high was 168.85, and my target is, second target was 169, but it missed by 15 points, 15 paisa. Anyway, no issues. Once it crosses and close above 169, the target is 196. So watch out, Kotak Bank, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, all, that today's high and low was very, very small. Utilize the opportunity to go long or go short. Okay. So this is what I want to cover. And tomorrow, Expiry Industries and Amara Raja, both are having their trend change date. And only Expiry is having the combination date. Amar Raja is the first date. Okay, it is having his first date, and PSU banks tomorrow, Canara Bank and PNB is having a date. Maybe I will show that to you in my TCD. So weekly numbers, it's already here for Bank Nifty Spot and Bank Nifty Future. And this one, the important date which happened on 20th, which I already mentioned in my video. I have taken all the companies which had TCD on 20th and 21st. So if you see the current, this is all the current latest today, closing price. If you see, many companies are closed above the high of 20th December because market bottomed out on that day. So watch out for, and few companies are still trading below 20th high. So watch out for those counters where you can catch opportunity. And these are the two companies, and Power Grid, because of dividend, it achieved a first target, and Exide is what we entered with 3 rupees stop loss. We entered at 161, stop loss is 158, and today it has achieved the second target. Let's see, tomorrow it is going to touch the third target. So now I'm going to show you the TCD dates, okay? And all the resistance and support numbers of Nifty, everything is here. So you can see, I don't want to go graph again and show all that to you. So simply, watch out for this. And I'll go to the TCD date. Okay, so now these are all for 20th. Okay, so coming to 28th. So if you see the difference between the high and low is very small. This is what I was talking about. So for Bajaj Finserv, it is not even 200 rupees. Okay, and for DLF, the high, today's high is 390 and today's low is 383. Simply you can go long above 390 with a stop loss of 383, or you can go short at 383 with a stop loss of 390. So, or ICICI Bank, now the width is not even 1.5%. Okay, and MSFL, it gave a good move, and then it came down badly. It went to 995, and then it came down and closed roughly around 969. And PVR, 100 rupees with, and SRF, this guy is going to break out big time, because this guy had a TCD on 20th, and after 20th, it made a solid move. Maybe if you want, I can show here. And SRF, yeah, SRF had a TCD date on 20th. The high was 2145, and today it closed at 2389. Okay, so SRF is about to break out on a big side, in a big way. Let's watch out. And ITC had a trend change date, and these yellow colors are yearly TCDs. More than any other color, kindly watch these 5 counters: ITC, Kotak Bank, REC, Dabur, and Federal Bank. These 5 companies had their major yearly date today. So the high and low of today in these 5 companies will do a miracle in the coming days, maybe on the short side or on the long side. If you take Dabur, it is only 5 rupees width. Very rarely you get this kind of scenario. And this is what I was talking about in REC. Simply buy above 132.65, stop loss 130, not even 1.5 rupees. Okay, even if it hits for 2 times, no problem. And third time it gives big money. Big money means big money. And tomorrow again it is having a TCD, which is blue color. Okay, this is 29th TCD, Exide Industries, Amar Raja, and REC. Amar Raja, the way in which it is going, I don't know where it is. Anyway, we will see Amar Raja. Okay, it is 617 now. Let's see whether it is going to bottom out tomorrow, because it's a big day tomorrow. So I've already mentioned in the PPT that Indian Bank, Jubilee Food, Manappuram, Mukut Finance, NMDC, Exide, Amar Raja, REC, Jindal Steel, Can Bank, POB, IOC, all these companies are having the TCD day tomorrow. So whenever there is a major thing is going to happen, you will have these number of TCDs. Otherwise, normally you get 1 or 2 stocks in a day-to-day TCD. Whenever there is a big combinations are happening in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, you will get all these. And tomorrow, and if you see on 30th, watch out for Axis Bank, okay? Because Axis Bank is having TCD date on 30th as well as on 31st, okay? And this is the big combination because all these companies are having their yearly TCDs. Tomorrow, these four companies, Jindal Steel, Canbank, PNB, IOC are having their yearly TCD. And on 30th, Axis Bank, Reliance, Tata Steel, BPCL, HPCL, Z, Voltas, McDowell, Chiran Transport Corporation, Concor, Pfizer, Steel Cements, all the having their yearly TCD. Yearly TCD means it's a big one. Okay, mark the high and low of that companies and then take the position. Apply the thumb rule. Take the position. Okay, so you all know what is thumb rule. Okay, so now again on 30th, SBI is having their trend change date and BAM. Okay, so I think mostly I covered. So on 30th and 31st, watch out for Axis Bank, and tomorrow watch out for REC Limited. Because I have not done my homework yet, so I'll be doing my homework now. Because which counter will do better for tomorrow? Because Deepak Fertilizer was was a boom actually. In 2 days it went up by 8%, and it was exactly we captured that here. Because whenever it has a blue color TCD and that too with a combination, because this time it was a combination. If you see, these are the combination dates, 25th and 22nd. And continuous TCD, okay, because this Saturday. So continuous TCD, we saw a big move, and then Navin floor, it's a continuous TCD because Saturday, Sunday inside. So 24th and 27th, we saw a very good move, and then let's see IOC. Tomorrow is having IOC. Let's see IOC on December 15th. 1 second, we will go to December 15th and see IOC. Okay. December 15th high was 118 and the low was 115. So it is trading below the low of 15th December. So we need to avoid it has to close above 118.40 to go long. Okay. So anyway, but now yearly TCD, we will take all these numbers and then we will see which one it's going to do well. Anyway, after the warm up in the night, now I will message you which counters in these, roughly around 10-15 counters for tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this 12 counters, I will send you a message on which company we are going to concentrate on. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and wishing you a happy new year. Advance wishes. Let's see. I am expecting if the market closes above 17,464 on 31st January, I think we are in for a good rally on the upside. Let's watch, because, and you all know that my number is 17,777. Till that crosses and closes, this is actually not a buy and dip rally. Only when it closes above, we can see a genuine rally happening. Till that time, it will go up, go down, go up, go down, and all that. But I want to show you one important thing. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so now coming to Nifty. Okay, so Nifty, see, this green color line was a pitchfork line. Okay, so you all know that I work on pitchfork. So every time when it touches, it started coming down. Every time touches coming down. Here also the same big candle, it happened at the afternoon, and the low it touched was 17,161.2. okay, so now this is 200-day SMA on hourly, which works pretty good actually. So it closed below this and closed below the pitchfork line. Once it crosses this pitchfork line on the upper side, and our first number is 17,351, which is the green color line. So once it crosses, the next I'm targeting is 17,424. Why this is so special for me now is because this dotted line, this brown color dotted line, is a pitchfork median line. Okay, so this is a pitchfork, and if you see the pitchfork median line is somewhere here. So if it close above 14,424, it will close above the pitchfork median line, and which will act as a strong support in the coming days. Let's see. And as clearly mentioned, the last 1 month, I'm saying market Nifty must hold 16,940 on a weekly closing basis, and it is respecting that number. Whenever it goes and touches that number, it is coming back strongly. Let's see, in case if it closes below 16,940, we will definitely have a review on Nifty. From there, where it is going to go ahead. And when I'm the video which I covered on 20th December, I clearly mentioned that market will bottom out on 4 days, which is December 20th, December 23rd, January 22nd, 2022, and January 29, 2022. So as of now, it is holding January 20th low. The first, the important day, it is holding that number till now. So another 23rd, and today if you see Bank Nifty, it was trading well within this range of 20th December high and 23rd December low. And this is the number which I gave yesterday, 35,046. It came down all the way to 35,049 and again bounced back. Okay, so above this number, close above this number is pretty bullish. Okay, 35,231. Watch out for this number. And this is what I wrote yesterday, and this is what I've written today also. So watch out for this number for tomorrow. And you can keep a stop loss of 34,046, at least for 1:5 return. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video. In case if you like the video, please comment it. Thanks. And again, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework before investing in any stock or mutual funds. Thank you. Bye.